The idea of the story was basically, actually the story was told to me by my mother when I was a young boy, and I had told a lie. My mother had told me that truth has its own way. Now when I gradually, then later on, I did a script writing contest workshop. I did a script writing workshop where I had done the script in 2 scenes. Anurag Kashyap liked it and he asked me to actually develop it further, and that was 14 years ago. Cut to 2019, there was a story competition by Fandesao. I developed the story and I did it. That's when I said, okay, now the story was developed and I wanted to make a film. And so I did The Witness. I was so happy that my film was selected for the Goan section of IFFI 54, and my dream was to be in IFFI 54, and here I'm fulfilling my dream. The journey was long, arduous, difficult, but then everything has its own time. I said this story was told to me when I was a young boy. I thought of making a film ever since, not The Witness, becoming a filmmaker throughout my career, but then I had a long journey, and when I decided to make the film, say last year, everything just fell into the place. I managed to get the actors, get the entire team, and it just happened. So the universe helped me.